Okay, ASL 1, you guys are going to be doing parameter sheets today for Thursday. We have about 12 words we're going to go over real quick, so bear with me. If you need to follow along in the book, then open up textbooks to page 175, and the first 5 words are going to be on there. So the first sign is to cook, and both of my hands are going to be this hand shape. Front of body, to cook. Some of you already know this sign from when you did your family tree project. Okay, to cook. The next word is to manage, and my hand shapes are going to be X's. Okay, front of body. Now pay attention to where my palms are facing, and notice that the motion is going to be back and forth alternating. Okay, back and forth alternating. This is to manage. You would use this sign if you're talking about you manage a classroom. You manage to do your homework, okay? To manage. The next one is to pick on. Now, remember we went over classifier 1, and classifier 1 can represent a person or something that's spherical in shape. And so in this instance, classifier 1, which is my non-dominant hand, it's going to be a 1 hand shape, is a person, and my dominant hand shape is going to be an X. Okay, it's going to be an X. Now my palm is going to be to the side. Pay attention, my palm is going to be to the side, and to pick on is going to be a double motion. Okay, and it's like I'm hitting that person. I'm picking on them. The next one is to serve, and this would be used in the context of my waiter likes to serve food, okay? And my hand shapes are both going to be 5s, front and body. And when I do this, it's going to go together, and it's going to go back and forth to serve. Sort of like you're handing out plates to your family members, okay? The next word is to write. My non-dominant hand is going to be a 5. My dominant hand is going to be an X. Okay? And to write is just going to go back and forth across my hand. Back and forth across my hand. If you're following along in the textbook, go ahead and turn to page 176. And look at the vocabulary words that says more locations. The next vocabulary word is going to be activity center. And that picture looks kind of funny, so don't pay too much attention to it. But my hand shapes are going to be 5s. My palms are going to be down. And this is activity. Activity. Now notice that my motion is going to be circular. Activity. And then for center, I'm going to flip my 5s over, and I'm going to bring it around once and down. So circle down. Circle down. Now we put it together, and it's activity center. The next sign is back. My hand shape is an extended A. And I'm going to put it back. That's like saying, go to the back of the line. Back. The next sign is field. And when we talk about fields, we are talking about like a football field, or we could be talking about a meadow. Okay, so it's going to be, my dominant hand is going to be a 5. And my location is going to be at my chin. And it's going to go around in a circle. Field. Almost like when a cow is in the fields and they're chewing grass, you want to get down there in it. So you're going to do this. That's grass. Area. So grass area equals field. The next sign is flag. I want you guys to remember this sign because when we do our next project, which is our patriotism project, you guys are going to need to know this sign. So I'm going to put up my non-dominant hand. It's going to be a 1. because it's going to represent the flagpole. And then my dominant hand is a 5. And I'm going to connect. See where I've put my 1? It's going to be at the base of my palm. And I'm going to wave my flag. Flag. The next sign is front. It's going to be a 5-hand shape. And I want you to put the location as face. Okay, now if you see the sign executed lower, that's okay. But this is front. And it's just going to be one single movement down. Front. The next one we have is snack machine. Snack machine is a 2-part sign. And the first part of it is eat. And then I'm going to take my 5s and I'm going to intertwine my fingers. And I'm going to go up and down. This double motion. That's machine. Okay, so snack machine is eat machine. And you guys should already know how to do eat. And so when you write down your hand shapes, make sure that you put, you can either put flat O for eat, or you can put eat plus and then go into your 5s. Okay, so snack machine. And then the last word is soda machine. And you guys need to know that this is a 2-part sign as well. So my non-dominant hand is going to be an S. And my dominant hand is going to be an open 8. Okay. I'm going to put my middle finger into this hole, like the hole of the soda can. And I'm going to take it and pull it out and pop. Like that noise. So it'd be soda machine. Soda machine. All right, hopefully I'll see you guys next week.